feel like I do the same intro every video, but I have nothing else to film.
Ooh, look at that us.
What's up, guys? Justin here for another video on this gloomy day. Right now, I'm about to go help out my cousin. She's about to have a birthday party in like a week and a half or something at her house. So I'm about to go over there and rake the yard for her or something like that. In today's video, what I have planned today is nothing I can't talk. Nothing particularly special. Recently, I've been having, well, two problems that I haven't really talked about because I haven't really filmed a video in like 2 weeks. But the first issue, well, it's not even relevant anymore because it hasn't been doing it recently. But the second issue is that my brake lights keep going out. It's like a short in them. So I'm gonna take my tail lights out and probably rewire that, or see if I can find like a short or like a broken wire or something like that. See why it keeps shorting out, because at first people were telling me that it was my passenger side one, and then now it's a driver side one, and I don't know. Like, I got my mom to hit the brakes for me earlier, and it was the passenger one, so I don't know. I replaced the light bulbs for the brake lights. I have two more down there. Excuse the dirty center console. So hopefully it's just a short somewhere and I can resplice it and tape it for now. Yes, if you look back there, yes, those are some LS meshes. Now I know I had some LS meshes when I had my Integra, when I had the EG hatch, and I sold them. So you're probably like, well, why do you have more? I traded them with my boy Justin. I traded with him for the diamonds, and he gave me some money on top. He has a Miata. I'll put up a picture of his car. There's his car. Diamonds just don't look right on you can make them look right on Civics, but I do not like diamonds on Integras. They look weird. It just doesn't go with the car. They look way better on his Miata than they do on this car. So I'll just rock the LS meshes for a while, and yeah, I'll just rock them for a while. Of course they're gonna look good on the Integra because they came with the Integra. But let me get over here before it starts to get hot. It is pretty gloomy, kinda. It looks like it's gonna rain, but I don't know if it will. Let me get over here and do this yard so I won't be sweating my balls off. And I'm gonna just cut to that right now because I don't feel like doing any cinematics. So, boom, back here. Well, here. So, pretty much, I thought that it was gonna be less leaves than this. I kind of already started before I started filming this. I just kind of forgot to update you guys, but pretty much, yeah, it's might not look like it on camera, and it really doesn't, but it is a shit ton of leaves. I about to start a little pile here and another pile right there, but I don't have enough trash bags. So yeah, this is going to take some time, but I don't know if it's gonna rain. I don't know, it looks kind of cloudy, but I don't think it's gonna rain anytime soon. So yeah, but let me do this so I can do this as quick as I can, so I can start on my car, which is right here. I can start on my car and figure out what the hell is going on with these brake lights. Wrapped it up, called it a day. I'm like itchy as hell. Probably gonna go home and then try to figure out the whole ordeal with the tail lights or something. So yeah, let me go home and do that. I'm like sweating bullets, if you cannot tell, because it's hot. Had to take down this tree branch that had broke, and that's where all the dead leaves were coming from. So that took a while, and yeah, kind of almost done, but it's still like little patches here and there. But anyways, I know you guys don't give a fuck about that, because this channel is about cars, not how to take care of your lawn. So let me go ahead and go home and do what I gotta do. I'll be back.
2 hours later.
All right, boys, ladies and gents. So yeah, my car. Still gotta work on it. I'm about to go pick up a pizza for my mother that she got for free somehow. About to go pick that up. And then we'll go to where I usually work on my car at Addison to go and work on these tail lights and brake lights and running lights and shit. So, cold start. Well, guys, not even 3 minutes later, I was going to go get the pizza, and I saw a friend of mine was broke down. She thought it was her battery, but it turns out to be her alternator. So I was about to go pick the pizza up and get the alternator, and well, my upper radiator hose is busted. Rip. Okay, so I just got picked up by her. And right now we're about to go to AutoZone to get another hose. This seems oddly familiar because I just did the same thing 3 months ago when I had the EG. So I guess the same problems that happened with the EG is probably gonna happen to this car, and then I'll end up getting rid of it. I just got the AutoZone. Hopefully they have the hose. The website said they do, even though I have to spend $12 for a hose that I shouldn't have to pay for it anyways. So let's go in here and see what's up. And now I have to go through the struggle of putting this shit on, and it's about to rain. Just fuck me. I'm kind of glad her car, so this is what happened. Okay, so I was leaving to go get that pizza for my mother, and the girl that I went to school with, she was sitting on the hill, and her car, she thought it was the battery, but it ended up being an alternator. She was just sitting on the hill, so I get out, try to push her up the hill, me and these other people, and of course that shit would not go up the hill. It was stuck on the speed bump. So I was like, okay, well, I'll take you to go get the alternator. Then I happened to look underneath my car, and it's a fucking puddle, and it was the upper radiator hose. So now I get a new one. And if it busts, then I'll bring it back to AutoZone. For those of you who don't know what an upper radiator hose is, it is the radiator hose that's on the upper part of the radiator. Simple as that. It wasn't even a big hole. It didn't even like split. It was just like a little pee hole. Like a little pee hole was like shooting like out the side, and you can feel like the hose is old as shit. All these hoses are old. Now, kind of ran into a problem because when I went to the store, I didn't want to buy any pliers, and Forreal is gone, so I probably should have did that because I don't have any. Okay, you guys are gonna unsubscribe when you see this. So got pretty desperate. Don't have any pliers, so I'm gonna use jumper cables. Hopefully I don't electrocute myself. I shouldn't, but the idea is to just put it over here and squeeze out. So hopefully this works. Hope this works. Hey, it works. So fuck your negative comment. It works. Now this one is going to be a little bit different. Shit.
2,000 years later.
Alright, just like that. I'll screw this back on. Put this on there. Just like that, got a new hose. Now, I know, probably gonna need coolant. Probably gonna end up having to bleed it. Which, bleeder valve right there. But I don't have any more coolant. So I'm probably about to go to Walmart and spend $8 more to buy more coolant. This car, since I've owned this car, has never overheated on me. And well, I've lost a lot of coolant. It probably will. So let me start it up. Make sure there's no more leaks. Hopefully that was a hose. I'm praying to God it was a hose. That hose and not this one. But I believe it was this one because it was like spraying that way. And if it was this one, it should have been going this way. So yeah, now I have to deal with the smell of coolant until all this shit burns off. But let me start this sumbitch up and hopefully no leaks.
Hey, I used to say I was sincere.
Let me show you something that's real, huh? 2 or 3 young niggas killed, huh? Hopped out, they took my lil one. I mean, really, let me tell you how it feels. You said he was a shooter, got shot down. Gotta keep a ooze on the block now. Keep a bad memory when the cops round. Live life stone cold, he on the rocks now. He tried to move away. That was a cool mistake. I'm not in the mood today. I keep me a tool like, hey, I know you protect.